The topic we are going to discuss about is chemical bonding, and the subtopic is bond energy and bond length. Let's define first bond energy. The average amount of energy required to break all bonds of a particular type in one molecule of the substance, also known as bond enthalpy. It is given in kilojoule per mole, which is the energy required to break or form Avogadro's numbers of bond. So in this table, various bond enthalpies are given, like CH bond enthalpy is 413, CO is 358, while C double bond is 618, C triple bond is 839, and so on. So the other is ionic character and bond energy. Bond energy is the measure of strength of the bond. It basically varies with the electronegativity difference between the bonded atoms and size of the atoms. So जितना ज्यादा electronegativity difference होगा दो bonded atoms के दरमियान उतनी ज्यादा bond energy होगी, और जितना size atoms का बड़ा होगा उतनी कम bond energy होगी. So ionic character भी electronegativity difference के बेस पे अपना magnitude vary कर रहा होता है. Here we have the relation between the bond energy and the ionic character. AH bond energy is minus 436 kilojoule per mole, जबकि Cl की is 240 kilojoule per mole minus में. For HCl it is 431, जबकि इसको तो additive होना चाहिए था 436 और 240 का. The reason behind is the stable ionic character present in a molecule. जितनी bond energy ज्यादा होगी, bond length उतनी shorter होगी, क्योंकि bond energy is inversely proportional to the bond length. Next, we have the bond length. It is defined as the distance between the two nuclei of atoms bonded covalently. इसे हम different methods से measure करते हैं: electron diffraction, X-ray diffraction, and spectral studies. Following are the different bond lengths. CH bond length is 414, Ci is 238, C double bond is 611. Bond lengths are usually additive in nature. Covalent radius for carbon is 77 picometer. For chlorine is 99 picometer. So for CCl bond, it is 176 picometer. So let's see what factors affect the bond length. These are electronegativity difference, hybridization. So electronegativity difference की वजह से bond energy ज़्यादा हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से bond length short हो जाती है. And hybridization, जितना ज़्यादा किसी भी bond में S character होगा, उसकी जो bond length है वो उतनी ज़्यादा shorter होती जाएगी. So it is in alkanes, it is 154, 133, and 120 in alkynes. Next is its variation in the periodic table. It increases as we move down the group. Silicon की जो bond length है वो ज़्यादा है as compared to carbon, while it decreases from left to right in a period. CC bond length जो है वो greater है than that of nitrogen. So this was all about bond length. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.